Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute. The dictation will fluctuate between the speed of 95 words per minute to 105 words per minute. So, 3 seconds. Start. In our view, the failure to execute any document of release is not material. It is not disputed that respondent number 1 furnished the guarantee in compliance with the terms and conditions as stipulated by SBI. Thus, it was on a clear understanding that the guarantee would subsist till the second charge was created on the fixed asset. Since it is not disputed that the second charge was created, respondent number 1 would stand absolved of his liability as the guarantor. SBI also relies on various letters confirming the balance outstanding as of the end of the financial years. The said letters were issued on the letterhead of respondent number 2 company. The contents of one such letter dated 12/11/1997 is reproduced below. As it apparent from the above that the letter was issued for the purpose of confirming the balance outstanding against the working capital demand loan extended by SBI to respondent number 2. As noted above, the letter is on the letterhead of respondent number 2. It is also clear that it refers to the books of respondent number 2. The said letter also acknowledges the liability to the bank for payment of interest accrued or to be accrued. The tenor of the letter clearly indicates that it is an acknowledgement of the outstanding by the debtor and does not purport to acknowledge the obligation of a guarantor. The liability of a guarantor would arise on the failure on the part of the principal borrower to honor its commitment. Prior to that, it is a contingent liability. Indisputably, the books of the guarantor would not reflect any liability owed to SBI till a demand in this regard is raised. The balance confirmation letters were signed by respondent number 1, who was also at the material time a director of respondent number 2. We do not find any infirmity with the decision of the learned DRAT in holding that the acknowledgement letters does not make respondent number 1 liable as a guarantor. We find it difficult to accept that, notwithstanding that such liability had ceased on the second charge of the fixed asset of respondent number 2 being created in favor of SBI, respondent number 1 would be liable as a guarantor on the basis of the letters for confirmation of the outstanding balance. The order dated 7/8/2020, hereafter the impugned order passed by the learned company court in CA number 547 oblique 2011 in company petition number 265 oblique 1998 captioned Reserve Bank of India versus Messrs JVG Finance Limited. TCL had filed the said application CA number 547 oblique 2011 inter alia impugning the recommendations made by Mr. G.P. Thareja, the one-man committee. Hereafter, the Thareja committee constituted by the learned company court to examine the claim in relation to JVG Finance Limited in its 13th report dated 5/2/2007. TCL had inter alia by way of an application being CA number 1171 oblique 2003 prayed that it be granted permission to complete the registration. Stop over.